Chapter 19. Punctuation. Let's learn punctuation. When we speak, our facial expressions, the tone of our voice, the stress that we put on words and syllables all add up to the meaning of words that we speak. While writing, we need to use punctuation marks to indicate the same. Punctuation marks tell readers where sentences begin and end. Read the paragraph given below. Alice meets the white rabbit again, who mistakes her for a servant and sends her off to fetch his things. While in the white rabbit's house, Alice drinks an unmarked bottle of liquid and grows to the size of the room. The white rabbit returns to his house fuming at the now giant Alice, but she swats him and his servants away with her giant hand. The animals outside try to get her out of the house by throwing rocks at her, which transform into cakes. When they land in the house, Alice eats one of the cakes, which causes her to shrink to a small size. Now, read aloud the same punctuated paragraph. Alice meets the white rabbit again, who mistakes her for a servant and sends her off to fetch his things. While in the white rabbit's house, Alice drinks an unmarked bottle of liquid and grows to the size of the room. The white rabbit returns to his house, fuming at the now giant Alice, but she swats him and his servants away with her giant hand. The animals outside try to get her out of the house by throwing rocks at her, which transform into cakes when they land in the house. Alice eats one of the cakes, which causes her to shrink to a small size. Remember, full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation mark, semicolon, colon, dash, hyphen, brackets, apostrophe, quotation marks, and ellipses are the punctuation marks that we use in writing. Capital letter. A capital letter is used to begin a sentence. The bottle is empty. In the middle of a sentence to begin a reported speech. She walked in and said, "He is coming just now." For abbreviations and acronyms: GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. For days of the week, months of the year, holidays: Monday, Tuesday, Friday. January, February, June. Republic Day, Diwali, Dashehra. For countries, languages, nationalities, and religions: India, China, France. Indian, Japanese, Spanish. Hindi, English, Chinese. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism. For names and titles of people: Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Abdul Kalam. For trademarks and names of organizations: Maruti, Tata, United Nations. G. Ram Books Private Limited. Full stop. A full stop or period is used at the end of a statement. We all like him. I have been invited by the UN for a talk on environment. Comma. A comma is used to separate the words yes or no from the rest of the sentence. Yes, he has agreed to join the conference. To separate words and groups of words in a simple series of 3 or more items. I bought cakes, pastries, fruits, and vegetables. I bought cakes, pastries, fish and chips, and fruits and vegetables. Here, fish and chips is one item and fruits and vegetables another. To separate two adjectives of equal importance. Today we are enjoying a bright, sunny afternoon. To mark off a direct quotation: I will not go to school, the child cried. To separate unimportant words and phrases: My sister, who is 1 year younger to me, goes to Loreto College. In the above sentence, who is 1 year younger to me is extra information. The sentence would make complete sense even without it. Question mark. A question mark is used only after a direct question. Will you go with me? Did you finish your tiffin? Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to express a sudden emotion or to add emphasis. Oh! That was such a wonderful surprise. Heavens! Did she really do that? Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of a letter or letters from a word. I've tried to call her many times. The box wasn't there. To show the possessive case. Ryan's mother teaches in our school. Ruhi's hair is very long. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to mark the exact words of a speaker. We cannot go out now. It is raining, she said. The teacher said, I hope you remember that throughout your life.